What's up with you guys, man? Another day, another W. First, matching character from both ends. You're given a string S of length n consisting of lowercase English letters. Return the smallest index I such that S of I is equal to S of n minus I minus 1. If no such index, return minus 1. So I'm gonna keep n says minus 1. Initially, I'm gonna have n is gonna be the length of the string. I'm gonna loop through it, so I'm gonna say if S of I mean we basically just need to use the same thing from the problem statement minus I minus 1. Then I'm gonna say and is equal to I, and I'm gonna break, and I'm just gonna return answer. I think that's it. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, you guys, that's it. Yeah, simple one. Okay, guys, listen. So we are only 3 subscribers away from 400 subscribers. When we hit 400 subscribers, it's the first giveaway. So I'm gonna be giving one of you guys a free PDF with tips and tricks on how to solve LeetCode and data structures better. So make sure to subscribe and DM me on Instagram that you have subscribed. Um, so I don't have that many DMs, so I'm gonna pick someone either from comments or something like that. Anyways, thanks for watching this one as well. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.